How to reset Bereal streaks. Bereal streaks, which signifies daily on-time posts, cannot be intentionally reset or recovered once broken. Our streaks ends if you miss a notification period. To reset or restart a streak, simply continue posting daily when prompted. So unlike Snapchat, Bereal does not have such option like restore. So when you launch open a Bereal app, you will receive a notification that you need to post or time to post or time to be real, such notifications, right? But as per the Snapchat, you will find such option like, as you could see, a restore button, right? If you go to the chat section here, you could see restore. Now this type of thing is not available in Be Real. So whenever you've missed out your time to be real section or the notification, you could post it later, but your friends will be notified that you've posted late, and it's gonna mark as late, and this is basically how you could reset Be Real streaks. If you want to restart, you can just simply post onto your next Burial on time to start a new streak as well. And once the streak is broken, there is no way to recover or restore the previous number as well. And only officially time to be real notification count bonus or late post do not extend streaks as well. So this is how you will be able to reset your Be Real streaks. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.